Kanika from Konica Minolta Business Solutions. We are pleased to introduce to you our newly launched color series BizHub 287i, 227i, 266i and 226i. The new series comes with intelligent usability, seamless connectivity, next-gen security and solution integration to meet unique needs of different individuals, departments and organizations. These are the latest addition to I series, where I implies intuitive, innovative and intelligent smart MFPs. These machines use latest 1.6 GHz quad-core processor, 6 GB RAM, 8 GB micro SD card for enhanced productivity. These machines can be configured with a storage drive that ensures fast data read and write operations, as there are no moving mechanical parts in the SSD. The document feeder enables dual scanning and copying a bunch of documents at once instead of doing it one by one. The capacity of the document feeder is 130 sheets and the scanning speed is 55 IPM for simplex pages. This document feeder supports minimum paper weight of 35 GSM. The I series of MFPs comes with the large 7-inch multi-touch panels for selecting various function menus. The multi-touch feature of this panel enables smooth and intuitive tablet-like operations. The options can be configured on the panels for creating the shortcut of different applications and programs. These machines comes with the unique feature of previewing the document before actual scanning and copying, which actually saves the time of the users. These machines are solution-ready machines and the panel can be integrated with different solutions of Konica Minolta. These machines comes with standard 2 trays of 500 sheets capacity and a multi-bypass tray of 100 sheets capacity, and one can add more trays to enhance the paper handling capacity. All trays support A4, A3, letter and legal size paper, and the machines can also handle banner printing through multi-bypass. Konica Minolta has always been known for the superior print quality, as we use symmetry high definition toners. This helps to give the glossy finish to the output. Our toner consists of biomass, which are sourced from the plant-based materials, and the toners are small and equal in size, resulting in less power consumption and improves the print quality. The oil-free fusing results in high reliability of machines and life improvement of fixing unit. So one of the more interesting and intuitive features of these I series is the innovative I options. So users has the possibility to enable various additional features through these I options, such as searchable PDF, office file conversions, which are actually built on the robust embedded application platform, which is IWS, and IWS is internal web server. The latest I generation MFPs now comes with an option of extending the same level of protection that one uses for mobile or PCs. We have an option of adding LK116. LK116 is an antivirus that helps the MFP to protect it from external threats and viruses. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope this video was useful to you and you have the better understanding of our products. For more information, you can visit our website and find this product under Product Finder. Thank you once again.
Konica Minolta.